So hey everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the newly released update of the Nothing Phone 1, which is the software update 1.1.7, and I saw it in Nothing's story. I can show it right here. So as you can see, they've shared it on their Instagram story, Nothing OS update 1.1.7. And if you keep tapping, it basically says Nothing OS Update 1.1.7, audio improvement, security improvement, third-party integration, and user experience. In audio, they've improved audio quality for live music, latest Android security patch, and for the third-party integration, its AirPods battery status is now visible, and smoother performance for the user interface. So let's go to the settings and try to update it. Yesterday when I checked it, I hadn't received any 1.1.7 updates available. So I'm gonna go to settings, and then when I scroll down, go to system, and then you can hit system update. It says update available. As you can see here, it is the 1.1.7. New features. Now supports battery percentage display for AirPods. You can enable it in settings, experimental features. In terms of improvements, there is updated to October-November security patch, improved OS fluidity and reduced stutters, adjust the thermal threshold to better balance performance and temperature, improved audio quality when recording videos, more accurate battery status, bug fixes, resolved an issue causing WhatsApp notification to be unresponsive in lock screen, and then general bug fixes. The size is 79.72 megabytes, so it's not that much. It's a small fix. So let's hit download and install. So it's going to be doing the download, and then the phone is going to be turned off and start, and then it's basically going to complete the updated process. I will try to pair my AirPods Pro to the Nothing Phone 1 to see if the battery status is shown somewhere. I'm going to showcase that as well. So let's wait for that to happen. This is what the updating screen kind of looks like when it's installing the OS. Now it's going to take a few minutes and then it's going to be all good. So as you can see here, it says PIN required after device restarts. So it's restarted. So let's go in. It's refreshing. Okay, we're back. So it says update successful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair my AirPods Pro to the Nothing Phone 1 and see if the battery status is visible. So we're going to go to settings and then going to go to Bluetooth and then pair new device. So in order to pair the AirPods Pro to the Nothing Phone 1 so that I can see the battery status, what I need to do is I need to open the AirPods. And when it's opened, what I also need to do is I need to press the button that's here. So press that. And while pressing that, ensure that your Nothing Phone is unlocked. Now your AirPods is appearing here. You can click on that. It's pairing and click on pair. Now AirPods Pro has been paired. So let me get this out of the case and put it in my ears. Okay, it should connect here. And it's connected. Yep, I can hear it in my ear as well. So AirPods has been active. One of the changes that I have noticed is that the audio does sound very much better, because previously when I had the AirPods Pro connected to the Nothing Phone 1, it was always sounding very, very low volume, even if the volume was fully maxed out. The same was experienced in my Z Fold 4 and the Pixel 7 as well. I don't know if anyone else has had that issue, if they also have AirPods and they've tried connecting to their Nothing Phone 1. If they've experienced something similar, then maybe this is gonna solve it for them. In the Z Fold 4 and Pixel 7, that is still the case, but in Nothing Phone 1, now it actually sounds better, and the audio quality is like very, very high quality for some reason to my ears as well. The AirPods Pro connected to the Nothing Phone 1 sounds a lot better than the AirPods Pro connected to the iPhone, and that's just in my case. I don't know why, but listening to music, whether it be on YouTube or Tidal or anything, currently with the 1.1.7 release, it sounds better on the Nothing Phone 1. So that obviously is an improvement. Now that the AirPods are paired to my Nothing Phone 1, how can we turn on the feature to be able to monitor their battery statuses inside of the Nothing Phone 1? So what you have to do is basically go to settings and scroll down. It's experimental features here, the third last option from the bottom. You click on it, and then on the second option, you're going to see Airpod Support. You're going to turn that toggle on. You don't need to click on the toggle. You can click it right here as well. Once that is turned on, you should be able to monitor the battery of your AirPods as well inside of the Nothing phone. Where would that be? Because it's not here in the Bluetooth settings. You can try and click on the setting icon here. It doesn't show anywhere inside as well. Doesn't tell you the battery percent. Maybe try and go to the battery settings maybe. Let's go battery. It only shows the phone battery and nothing else. So where exactly do you check the battery for the AirPods that is connected? The AirPods that I currently have is connected to the Nothing Phone 1, as you can see by the Bluetooth icon here. I can scroll it down and it says permits AirPods, so they are connected. I still haven't been able to find where exactly you can see the battery percentage of the connected AirPods Pro because I turned on the experimental feature and it still isn't showing me the battery percentage of the connected AirPods, which is a bummer. Once I find it, I'm going to post it up in my YouTube channel community page as a post, and then maybe I can let everyone know how to make that battery percentage of the connected AirPods visible. I'll leave it there for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.